Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Soul LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 147 horsepower, 2.0L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full-width storage and clock-in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.